Hi, unique souls, I'm back, and we are continuing with our lesson 6. By the way, this is a very short course. Lesson 6. I'm upset because I see something that is not there. I see something that is not there. This lesson is a bombshell. What is so intriguing about these first lessons is that Jesus does not become involved with weighty metaphysics. Yet that is exactly what grounds the idea that I am upset because I see something that is not there. What is upsetting me is within me, not outside. Not outside. There is nothing outside me. There is nothing outside me. What I think I see is merely a projection of a thought in my mind. And this thought of separation from God is not there either. My perceptions are of illusions. The projections of thoughts that are themselves illusions. What else can an illusion breed but further illusions? The first paragraph, as it itself states, is already familiar in its emphasis on specificity. Paragraph 2 should also be familiar. Today's idea is useful for application to anything that seems to upset you and can profitably be used throughout the day for that purpose. However, the 3 or 4 practice periods which are required should be preceded by a minute or so of mind searching, as before, and the application of the idea to each upsetting thought uncovered in the search. So there's going to be 3 or 4 practice times you will separate throughout the day. Separate certain time, 1 minute or so, not more than that, to recognize, to find your thoughts, to search your mind about what upsets you. You can also take notes, or you can just take notes on your mind. Mind searching is the focal point of Jesus' message and the means of applying his teachings to our daily experiences. He then returns to 2 ideas mentioned in lesson 5. By the way, I want to add you this fact that you can also use your meditation times. If you do like a daily meditation, like a disciplined regular meditation, you can also collect certain thought patterns you find during your meditation. You can take notes and then work on those information. Again, if you resist applying the idea to some upsetting thoughts more than the others, remind yourself of the 2 cautions stated in the previous lesson. Take a deep breath. There are no small upsets. They are equally disturbing to my peace of mind. There are no small upsets. They are equally disturbing to my peace of mind. And I cannot keep this form of upset and let the others go. For the purposes of these exercises, then I will regard them all as the same. It will be difficult to overemphasize the importance of this idea of the inherent sameness of all things, both large and small upsets, as well as large and small pleasures. Not only upsets, but pleasures, negatives, positives. It occupies a central place in Jesus' teaching, as it is the means of our learning to tell the difference between illusion and truth, or in Plato's words, appearance and reality. We are trying to find what is real. So use like 3-4 times a day, whatever you feel least resistant to. Search your mind, find your thoughts that upset you or gives you maybe like extreme pleasure. Take notes. And tell yourself, I am upset because I see something that is not there. I mean, whatever you see, actually, you see something that is not really there. It's not the truth. It's not the real story of what's going on. It's your perception. Remember that. Your perception is what makes you upset. You're upset because of what you think you see. I am upset because I see something that is not there.